We had a snowstorm last night.
What did you have for breakfast?
As you can see, we had a lot of snow.
All I
And
had was toast.
I'll have to go out later and show you.
Oh, and I had tea. And I had tea.
The boys are over this morning. I can't hear myself
Oh, it
talk.
must be where the dogs were jumping around up there. It must be Ebony, because she jumps like a rabbit.
The boys are over this morning. Robin's church never canceled for some reason. Our other one did, but it's really stupid. So they went to church because they were singing today. So we had to watch the boys. My mom didn't like driving in a sweater, so they just came here. I might be acting a little weird right now because I'm sick. I got my brother's cold. Thanks, Dev. And some of you may know now that I chipped a tooth last night. There's the American quarter for size difference. There's a Canadian dime. GoPro. You know, big tooth. Doesn't hurt because root canal. Last night it was like kind of sore, but not right now. It's a dead root canal, so yeah, I followed it down last night, as you know. And yeah, so later on I'll take you guys outside, show you the snow. And yeah, I got a big hole in my mouth right here now. Sweet. Anyway, so yeah, stupid tooth. Why now? Why now? Like, seriously. Why now? You know? Let's clean it up here. What? It might be scary for him, yeah.
Okay.
Where was I? I don't remember. I'm tired. And yeah. I just feel weird, that's all. I'm sick. I lost a tooth. Quit my job. The reason why I quit my job after 2 days is because the kitchen was in bad shape. Like, bad shape. Like, health board closer shape. I'll tell you guys that later on. And, yeah. Sick today. Steve. Still got your money here. I'm just gonna send it off. I'm tired of waiting for my sister to get her stuff done. So I'm just gonna send it off and I'll send the banner later on or something. I don't know. Right now I want to feel better. But yeah, so I'll take you guys outside in a little bit. I'm gonna get some breakfast, I think. And just take it easy this morning, upload today's video, and yeah. Alright. Not too windy yet here, that's good. Like nobody shovel this part, so I'll do that. Oh, it is a bit windy actually. Hopefully it's not too windy for you guys. It's cold out here this morning, I tell ya. Yeah. Look at all that snow we got. Well, this is just clouds, but yeah. Alright, so we'll go to the top first, I guess. And then we'll go around the trail, see how it is. And yeah. We do have a lot of snow. Just, see how deep it is. Oh, see how deep it is when we get in there, I guess. Alright, let's go to the top. Actually, we don't need to go to the top, let's just go down here. Alright, this is where it's gonna get fun. icy too. This is gonna be a long walk, tubes. Maybe we'll go down halfway to the river and back up, I think. This is gonna take forever. Whoa, there's a big drop. Sorry for the wind. It's getting cloudy again. Might be starting snowing soon again. Listen to all the trees just going. Look for animal prints and stuff over down here. So I'm gonna go check out my mom's fort. And then we'll head back up. Then we'll go to the top, I guess. Whoa, there's a big drop. Being sick is making me tired. What do we got here? I think it's just from a tree. Get a rabbit from it, but it's not. What do we got going on here? There's paw marks. Probably a squirrel, I'm guessing. Or a rabbit. Maybe it's a rabbit. These little paw marks inside of it. I don't know what it is. You can go that way though. There's some more actually. Ooh, Bigfoot's been here. See, that one goes up on a tree. These ones, they go that way. Ah, what we got here? Hello? Anybody in there? Not for long. Bye-bye. Fun game now. So mean. So it is a squirrel. Well, that one is anyway. Pretty sure. Oh, snow. What the heck? It's just some trees. Pretty sure this is a rabbit track though. Wait a minute, what's going on here? I don't know. Not fun being in the snow when you're sick. It makes it hard to breathe. Almost there. There we are. It looks okay. Let's check inside the window. Sure nothing getting inside. Here's the river. Looks okay in there. Good. Right now, try to get down without falling. Alright, let's head back up. I don't think they plowed the road yet. Sure don't look like it. No, I would say no, not yet. G's are behind. Noisy up here. Very noisy up here. Alright, so that's it. That's all my body's gonna allow me to do right now. Very tired now. I'm almost killing my throat. And I can't breathe because of my dying nose. I have to go down in the ocean. That'll get me better in a few seconds. It's the air. Yeah, that's what I need right now. His plow's not working very well right now. Our neighbors. That's fine. Is it good for sledding right now? No, I need to pat it down a bit more. It's still too many rocks. Like the middle. I think like 3 years after we moved here was the best year for sledding. Oh, we were going so fast. It's only funny. Also, our sleds were really good. I think it was the first year my neighbors moved here, actually. The year when I ran over their kid with the sled. Yeah, that's the one. I didn't he wasn't like standing up. He was like lying down. I just like went right over like a speed bump. It was funny. He got a laugh. It was funny. Last year, or 2 years ago, oh, me and Devin got a massive crash and it killed us. It killed him. We banged our knees or something together and it was very nasty. Sorry for the wind. That's probably even worse. We'll see you guys later. I don't think I'll film anything else today unless we go out somewhere. Well, that's probably it. So there's only one lane for this road today, as you can see.
It was worse back
And he's
there.
putting all the snow on the road.
For Pete's sakes.
Jeez.
I don't like winter. It makes people grumpy. Like me.
You want to go right here, don't you?
Yes, I do. I just want to make sure I can get through here without ditching the car or hitting that snow bank.
That won't be good. Here's the volunteers. Or
No, they're
full-time.
They're full-time ones.
Yeah. Cleaning up your sidewalks and stuff.
Come and do our driveway.
Yeah.
No, we're lucky. We have our neighbor to do ours.
Uh-huh.
Which thankfully he got his truck fixed. Oh my goodness.
It was
the
a
day before.
$700 fix.
Was it?
Yeah.
Oh.
I thought we were going to Chopper's truck.
You wanted to go to Walmart.
Oh, I thought we were going to Chopper's first.
No, I can get the stuff at Walmart. What is this guy doing? He's not even doing the sidewalks.
Okay, this dude can seriously pass him.
He's not doing the sidewalks at all. There are sidewalks over here, aren't there? I don't know.
Don't remember. Yeah, there is.
Yeah, there is. Why is it? What do they do when they're out and they run out of gas?
I don't know.
Like somebody must come around and bring them gas.
And here we go down the roundabout again.
You should make a compilation of all the time. Well, he can't do all the times, but rotary trips.
I have to go through all my videos to do that. I gotta do that for the 911 thing because I deleted all the files.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's crummy.
But I'm halfway there.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry.
I just got whiplash.
I got different boots on. This car just takes off like a bat out of you know where. Oh, yay.
The roads are narrow today.
They are. I don't like it when they're like this. This is going to be fun for doing papers.
Oh, yeah.
You might have to come and help us. Out of service. RLTC.
Okay, second time today.
Here we go again.
It's busier this time.
Oh, yeah, it is. What the heck? What's going on here? And then that lane hasn't been done properly, so everybody's stopping in this lane. Oh, my goodness.
this. Look how small that lane is.
The lane does not exist anymore. Just gotta watch somebody doesn't speed up beside me and try and go through there. Oh, there goes a murder of crows. That's what they're called. A group of crows is called a murder. What are you doing? You're going into that lane. Okay. You could have gone there. And now you're gonna go. Okay, that wasn't right, but anyway. After this truck goes, now you stay in your lane, person, and then all will be well with the world. Alright, hello guys. So today I'm going to finish this, finally, this is like 4 days later. I'm going to finish the, put the finish on my dough board. And if I get a minute, I'm also going to rub the finish in this. This is an antique butter bowl that my mom had. She bought it when she, I don't know if she was even married yet, but she bought this old butter bowl. This is where you would wash the butter out, rinse the water off and stuff like that. And so it doesn't have any coating on it now. It's unfortunately got some, I don't know what that is, that's gotten on there through the years. But anyway, I'm going to put the finish on here too, just to give it a little bit of protection. Anyway, so, okay. So I'll get my stuff out and show you what I use and all that stuff, and we'll be back. Okay, so this is what I use on my wood finish, tried and true, and it's boiled or polymerized linseed oil and beeswax. There's no petroleum distillates, no petroleum derivatives, no heavy metal dryers, and it's non-toxic, safe for the environment, and safe to use. And well, all the directions are right here. But anyway, this stuff smells really good, actually. It reminds me of oil painting. So with this stuff, we have these really super thin coats and rub it in really, really well. I'm going to crack open the lid here in a minute. Don't have the tripod. Oh yeah, where's that thing I was using the other day? I don't know. I don't know where I put it. Anyway, so we're going to rub this all down, and I'll show you that in a minute. Okay, so here's what this stuff looks like. It's kind of thick, like honey. Well, I don't like honey. And this has kind of gotten dried because whoever shut it last didn't shut it quite properly. But all you have to do is pick the skin off of it and you're good to go. My lens is dirty here. Anyway, so I can't set this thing up on this thing. Devin, could you do me a favor for a minute?
No.
Devin, you can come and hold the camera while I show them what you do with this stuff.
I'm touching my tripod.
Oh, go get you my tripod. Go get me your tripod. I'll pin the camera. Devin just asked me if this stuff is edible. Just because it says it's non-toxic and safe to use doesn't mean you go dipping your crackers in here and eating it. Linseed oil is the same, from the same plant as flax seed comes from, but this is treated to be able to use on stuff like furniture and whatnot, so you don't want to really eat this. So don't dip your crackers in this. Does that help?
Yes. Can I still eat it?
No. Okay guys, so let's see if you can see me doing this here. So here we have the stuff. I don't use gloves for this because it's not toxic and I prefer to not wear gloves. So you have to put this in very thin coats because it is very thick and you don't want, you want it to sort of be dry when you're finished it. You don't want it to be sitting here sticky, picking up every hair and everything else going on in your house. So you rub a thin coat on here. And I think this stuff has gotten a little thick on me, but that's okay, it still works. Okay, so you don't want it to be sticky tacky. You want to rub it in so that it's all done and finished. I'm going to go get another cloth that I can wipe this off with. Use this one. Why not? Okay, so now I just keep rubbing until it's all rubbed in. And if any of you are experienced woodworkers, I'm sure I'm doing this whole thing wrong, but this works for me, so this is what I do. Okay, so that feels really nice, really smooth, and really nice. Okay, so we'll take a little bit more here. I love the smell of this stuff. Take just a little bit more. See, not much more if you can see that, not much more than that, just a little bit. And then start rubbing it in some more into the cracks, into the corners as much as you can too. This, generally speaking, will darken things a little bit, bring the color out, I guess. So, which I quite like. I'm quite happy with how this has turned out, actually. It's only taken me almost 5 years to do it, but I'm quite happy with it. So go with the grain as much as possible. Obviously, if you have to get in the corners, you're going to have to rub it in there. See if you've missed any place. Rub all over again. Put that aside. And then rub it. Don't want any tackiness at all. I did not do the bottom of this thing. I did not. Usually when I do a distress something, I will also do this. I don't know, maybe I will do it later. But anyway, this is, it's really rough, so it might be difficult to do what I was doing the other day. So I might just leave it. Okay, so that's feeling pretty dry there now. Smooth as a baby's bum. Oops, something just flew past the window there. Okay. So while I have it out, let's do the dough board, or the butter bowl a little bit. So you can see this. Okay. This part here, I'm going to just look in the camera for a second and make sure you can see what I'm seeing. Okay. This part here is the part that I've already done. So it's, you can tell, just made it quite a bit darker, which I actually don't mind. It shows out all the imperfections and everything in it. So I haven't exactly wiped this down very well yet with my cloth. Okay, so let's get some more of this stuff on. I don't mind if I get this on my table because it probably could use another coat of it. Okay, so we just rub it. This is soaking in really fast in this one, so you can put it on a bit heavier on this. This wood is not, I don't know if it has been coated. It hasn't been coated for about 100 years, so I put a little bit more on this. Okay, and it needs a little bit right here too. This might actually need a couple of coats, but we'll see. Okay, so then we take our cloth again and we rub and rub and rub. And rub some more. And that just feels really nice. And it will protect it from stuff a little bit more. I like the darker color, to be honest with you. So, okay, so what I'll do is I'll finish this up, and I will finish the dough board. Oh no, I'm gonna sneeze. And we'll finish the dough board up. Oh, anyway, sorry. And we all have colds here. And I will show you what they look like when they're done. Okay, this is almost done. I don't know if you can see. There's a bit more of sheen to it now. I don't know if you can see it there. And the wood is a little bit darker. It's important to note that because beeswax is very flammable, as is linseed oil, you don't really want to put these in your rags in the washing machine. So what you should do is put them in water and then put them in a plastic bag and throw them out that way. It's okay, I sneezed twice. Go ahead. Okay, sorry.
I hate that.
So,
I like sneezing.
you like sneezing?
Yeah.
Oh, brother. Okay. So, yes. So make sure you do that because you don't want to have your stuff catching fire on you.
That smells terrible.
It smells wonderful. What are you talking
How
about?
cold.
I do have a cold. I just haven't got to the stuffy
You got
part.
stuff. Yeah.
I have a sore throat. It smells wood shoppy.
Alright, give me your camera.
So they're going to do an unboxing video. When they're doing their unboxing video, I am going to do this bowl and then you can see what it looks like. So you can see what it looks like before right there. See how the unfinished stuff there is, whoops, very pale. The stuff I've worked on is dark.
Mom, stop that.
So it'll see what it looks like when we're finished. Do you want this camera?
No, it's fine. It's
So I already said you're doing an unboxing. Okay, go ahead.
It's your channel, talk.
Good day, YouTube. This is Sky Blue _Studios 29. Today I'll be opening a Lego set that I've ordered.
What Lego set?
I forgot what it's called.
It's a surprise.
Oh my goodness, you forgot what it's called.
Maybe it's the fairy forest one.
Put that one in the
Something with pink.
No. I don't think this is it.
Maybe it's for me. Maybe I ordered Lego. Do you ever think about that?
This is a Lego box.
I might order Lego.
Yeah, right.
Oh, look, it's bagged.
Whoa, this is gigantic.
Whoa.
Why don't you come where you can see it?
Can't see it. That's freaking huge.
And I get something else with it.
You get a bonus. What is it? Batman.
Batman.
Holy, what? That's not the whole thing, all that town.
No.
No. You can just buy all those
Wait, you
buildings
can't
and
play that. You can't do that. You can't build that. You're not 16.
I don't care.
It's illegal.
16.
I'm telling Lego on you.
You should get the whole town.
It's expensive.
Where are we going to put all this? We have an RC plane to put up to
They don't
fix.
have that one anymore.
No.
The pizza place? Does that go with that?
Okay.
You said they had a pizza
That's a
place.
city one. It's Lego City.
Oh, very lovely.
Don't show that.
Not that anybody can see it. And a little leg, is that for 16 and up too?
7 and 14.
Okay, you can build that, but the Lego creator, you've just got to leave.
I'll build it.
No.
Okay, so. Oh, are you hot sitting there in the sunshine?
Need my tripod.
You hot? Must suck being an all black dog, huh?
Not old.
I said an all black dog. Huh? Yeah? Mixie's like, we get her off of me. Get her off of me. Good puppy. Hey, good puppy. Yeah. Oop. Oh. Okay, here's what the underneath the bowl looks like before. Quite happy with how it turned out on the inside. I really like it. So hopefully this side will turn out nice too. Okay, there's that finished. You can see how much darker it is now, and it's got a bit of a sheen to it, and it's protected, and I love it. So I just have to do the edge. I might even do my table afterwards, actually, again. And now I just have this one handmade paddle left to do.
What's this one?